Okay, guys, so here we have a lot of alpha. Basically, Yohei, one of the insiders, is saying that he is going to launch really interesting AI agent tokens, which is fantastic. Here is the evidence. Pippin loves you, AI unicorn, Pippin core framework, Pippin light, rapid self-building experiments, Pippin mod Discord mod. So basically, each of these is going to be a coin, and he's probably going to launch those, and it's going to be very interesting and very powerful. So we should stay very alert for this. So it starts with the unicorn. This was launched yesterday, so we got to stay alert because there's a really good chance he's going to start launching this stuff, and I love the engineering behind it. It's very sweet and kind and everything, but he's doing some serious engineering where the AI agent builds itself, which is great. So he says, minimalist template to rapidly experiment around self-building, seeing early experiments play with human in the loop, etc. Personally want to play with memory context to store reuse prior successful runs. Open sourcing Pippin Lite, which this is an amazing project that's being completely open sourced, and it has a great community thanks to Yohei because he's a venture capitalist. He's got a lot of money and power, influence, so he can totally make it happen. So Pippin mod, standalone LLM-based Discord mod with web UI. So it has this web UI mod that doesn't need as much memory context, so built as a standalone tool. Also good to keep mod active if other things go down. Easy web UI should be helpful for other Discord managers. So this is a really cool thing. Created a Pippin mod channel in Discord to discuss development, usage, and issues. Which I am totally going to join this, guys. I suggest you guys to join it too. I can share the link if you guys are interested to join this. And I'm totally joining and opening that Discord. So yeah, that's the news right now for this very powerful, very potential 10x, 100x coin. Yohei, Pippin. So follow this guy, pay a lot of attention. Thank you so much. Have a great day.